Should you buy an older house or a newer house? I oddly hear this question all the time, and sometimes there's more specifics like, do I buy an older house in a nicer neighborhood, but the newer house that doesn't need any maintenance is in not as nice a neighborhood? And look, a lot of people want to say that new houses or new construction is going to be better because it's new and things don't go wrong. That's 100% not true all the time. If you think about like those old houses that have like really thick bones, like the structures are amazing, and it really depends on the level of rehab that is needed in an old house or a new house. But remember that a lot of times newer stuff is built with cheaper materials. So if you have a hardcore old, say, brick house that has bones that are like awesome, even if you need to rehab that property, that's a really strong property. Whereas new construction, in theory, everything should be perfect and whatever, but like the materials might be a lot cheaper. So my advice is never make a decision about a rental property based on whether it's a new property or an old property. Look at the property itself, regardless of the age. What's the condition? Get a property inspection. Like if you're going to have to rehab it, how much are you going to have to put into it? What is the actual condition of the house? And to me, oftentimes that might be dictated by how old it is, but it may not be. So like, yeah, you can take note of how old it is, but like, do a thorough inspection of the property itself and base your decision on what does the property offer, what's wrong with it, if anything, does it need rehab, what are the numbers, and go from there. But as far as like general deciding between an old house and a new house, I would absolutely not discount old houses because in my mind, a lot of them are way nicer than new houses. So it really just depends.